Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 3. Today I'm meeting Devika and then we're going to be popping out. We might have lunch together, we might just walk around and, you know, shop for a bit. But yeah, I'm obviously going to take you guys with me, so because I don't know the exact plans, I'll just vlog and then you guys can see what's going on.
No.
Say hi. You've got makeup on today.
I know.
Exactly.
But let me put my glasses on.
Okay,
And see my
okay,
hair
go on.
out.
I'm covering it.
Wait. I've got too much highlight on. I haven't even got lipstick on.
Done. Whoa! Girlfriend. Whoa, what are you doing?
You gotta spray this first.
Okay, go on.
Wait, I'm gonna spray myself. Breathe. Breathe, woman. Are you sure you want it that icy?
Oh! But you didn't even spray this side.
I did.
Really?
Yeah. It's bare icy though.
No, I like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I just kind of swirl the whole packet, the whole palette.
Okay, thanks, girl.
I'm high. By the way, it is the Nip and Fab Highlight Palette Illuminatorist.
Huh?
That one. Illuminatorist.
Demogorgon.
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 You guys know where that's from?
Yeah, comment if you know where that's from.
Yeah.
Demogorgons and Demodogs.
If you know where that's from, you can be our friend. You can't sit with us
You
otherwise.
can't sit with us. You're on the loser table.
Yeah. What is the loser table?
I don't know.
Oh crap. Okay, we'll find out. We're gonna watch Mean Girls later again, and just for the reference.
Do they have a
we'll
loser
see.
table?
Yeah, they do.
They had an Asian table. I think we should be a part of that.
They didn't even have it. It was Oriental Asian.
Oh yeah. Oh damn
They
it.
didn't even have a table for us.
Right.
We're so unpopular. We don't even get a table.
What are we then? What do we? What are we?
The Desies.
The Desies.
Okay.
Oh,
do you have
God.
anything to say?
I'm cold.
Huh?
It's just been one of those days where I can't be bothered to get ready, but I know that I have to because I don't have many days off.
Oh yeah.
So.
My hair's really disgusting today.
Is this music too loud? Is it gonna get copyrighted?
Oh crap, can turn it off. Imagine if it is.
Oh, I know.
It's alright, I just won't get paid for this one. It's not the end of the world.
No, but they don't show it in some countries.
Oh yeah.
That's the problem.
Look guys, let me explain something. So me and Dev plan to go out,
To town?
yeah, for a couple days. And wait, we didn't plan on Friday, did we? It was just
No, I was
for
working
yesterday.
on Friday, yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we planned for Saturday. And my makeup went amazing on Friday when I went to Winter Wonderland and no one needed to see me in the dark. And then it went alright yesterday. And today, it's just not, it's
Do you
just
want
not
eyelashes?
nice. Should I? But you don't have, you only have yours.
I have these new Ardell ones, which I tried putting on yesterday but completely failed.
Okay, I can put them on.
Or I have these ones.
Do you think? Okay, I don't mind. Yeah, if
We're
you
gonna
take-
put some
It's not even just
eyelashes
that.
on.
I think it's also my hair. Like it's got to that day where it needs to be washed and stuff. But my hair's been thinning a lot recently, and it's making. I've been losing a lot of hair, so I'm trying to wash it every 3 days at least because I'm just losing too much hair. And also, there's not enough oils, and I'm getting like dandruff and stuff. So just for my own purpose, I'm trying not to wash it as much. It's not that bad. It's just a bit lifeless.
Well, we can put some life into it before the
So-
next bus comes.
All right, we'll do that.
Before the next bus comes, guys.
Because I really want to take some pictures today. That was one of the main things, and it's like it's the one day that I don't even look that good.
Well, do you know what? Do you know what happens to me? Whenever my makeup is on point, my pictures never turn out right.
Oh, so are you saying that hopefully my pictures should turn out okay?
Well, I'm saying that my pictures will turn out shit. That's
Okay.
what I'm saying. I don't know about you, love.
We'll see within the next like hour.
So today, Tashia's going to be wearing some Ardell 603s. Ardell, look, do you know what, Ardell? I just love you so much. They're so good for people with glasses.
I'm a more Isla person.
Isla.
Isla?
Oh, did you like those eyelashes I got you?
I like them. I should have put them on.
I know, right? I
It's
don't know
just
what you didn't.
It's just because I just felt like I didn't look right, and I just thought I'm not gonna add on these eyelashes because I don't even think
Eyelashes
it's gonna
make everything better, guys.
No, I know, but it's my hair.
No, I know.
Listen, Dev, it's my hair.
It's my hair.
Right, go.
Okay, oh, we're doing it on camera. Need to measure your eye.
Oh, okay.
Measure your eye. Okay, do you want to turn this way? Okay, open? Yeah, they'll be fine.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like them.
They're quite natural actually. That's why I didn't like them.
Oh yeah. I like natural but wispy, so you can tell I've got eyelashes on, obviously, but they're just not bam.
The thing is, my glasses hides my eyes, so I need to like make them.
But they suit you. Your ones suit you. When I put, because sometimes when I'm around Devs, I obviously don't have eyelashes here. So like I put on Dev's ones and they don't
suit her eye.
Yeah,
like she needs more fluttery out ones. I mean, I've got 2 pairs of eyelashes that are Ardell that we can layer.
Okay.
If this doesn't look right.
No, I'm sure it'll be fine.
Okay, wait for that to go a bit tax.
A bit tax.
Bit tax. Bit tacky. Oh, why is my face itching? Stop. Stop.
I don't know. I just.
What lip colour? I don't even know what I'm wearing, bruv.
Okay.
Right, don't open your eyes. Okay. Don't open.
Can I open?
No. Because I'm really scared now as well that I'm fucked up.
Dev?
I don't think I have, but...
You're supposed to be my saviour.
I know, but sometimes it can be your enemy.
Can't say that to me now.
Wait, I need to fix it. Let me sort it. Oh, it's actually alright. Right, look up. Just need to get the glue from there. Open the cup. There we go. Okay, look down. Look down. Just look down. It's always the bloody corners, isn't it? This work is stressing me out.
Oh, I like these.
Do you?
I like it.
Okay. I just need to make sure they're not falling off there.
Oh crap.
Okay, no, they're not. But I just get worried.
Do you remember your thing? Where you're like...
Oh, you can insert the clip actually.
I need to find it.
We haven't uploaded that. We haven't uploaded that.
Oh, it was so funny.
Insert the clip, insert the vid. No, it's a picture.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop this.
You're gonna decorate your own dollies?
What are you getting, Dev?
I don't know. But I just love M&S.
I know, I love M&S too, but...
Oh. What?
Oh.
Do we need any fruits?
I honestly...
Are you staying for dinner?
How late is dinner?
Did I make spaghetti meatballs?
Maybe, I don't know.
How much is it?
No idea.
£4. Some berries.
Listen, you're in M&S, yeah? You asked for this.
Yeah, so I get a student discount. Celebrity getting me out of here.
Oh my god.
Did you just point at my shoe?
Yeah, I was like, damn girl.
Right, can you record this for my vlog, please?
I'm recording it for you.
Oh, are you?
Recording it for you.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
I was just looking at the ingredients.
Red velvet.
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 Guys, this is so cute.
We need to find a Colin.
Oh, the caterpillar.
Yeah. Colin the caterpillar.
Guys, oh my god, look, it's gold.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna get one.
Are you actually?
Yeah, not for me, for my fam.
And I'm gonna get some light cheese.
Wow, we've swapped roles here. Where's the other berries?
Oh, I told
over here.
the berry. Where? I told her to put them back. But I want berries.
Okay.
I want light cheese.
That's fine, guys. It's on.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, Dev needed to get some new glasses. Why are you laughing? Show them which ones. These ones. Wait. I think you should put them on.
No.
They're really pretty.
They are really pretty.
The price is pretty too.
Oh, plus more.
I know.
Thanks, my love. You need to unzip that one as well.
That's what you have to do every single day if you want to take it home.
I think it's stuck up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Presentation, so.
That's okay. Alright guys, so Chef Dev made some meatballs. Oh.
Yummy, yummy,
Yummy, yummy.
in my tummy.
In your tummy.
In my tummy.
So, if this focuses, there's the meatballs and the pasta. The noodles.
Pasta.
What are you getting out?
Parmigiano. I can't even say
Nice. Very, very
Parmesan.
nice.
Let me get it out the oven fridge.
Saucy.
Saucy. Booyakasha.
Booyakasha.
Yeah. Ali G. Oh, for the real G's out there.
Hello my loves, so I've been home for a few hours now, I think at least maybe 2 hours. What happened was I uploaded the videos around Devika's, so I actually had to leave my laptop there overnight, and then it just basically took so long, and 2 videos of mine finally uploaded, but I hadn't made the thumbnails. So as soon as I got home I was making the thumbnails, then I was editing a bit. I still have to edit my Vlogmas Day 2 and Vlogmas Day 3, which is obviously today. So yeah, I was trying to do all of that stuff. I wanted to quickly show you guys the coat that I bought today. I'm not going to put it on because I forgot to vlog it in the store, but this was the coat I purchased today. I'm sure you guys will see me wear it sometime, so I'm not really gonna show me wearing it right now. But what I wanted to do was actually open my 3rd advent calendar gift, and then I was going to end the vlog because I just really want to get things edited for today and nothing else is gonna happen tonight. Let me leave my phone over here. So let's get this. Okay, so this is my 3rd gift. She did this on all of them. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, she bought me a top. She said we finally have matching PJs. Okay, I'm excited. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, that is so cute. I hope this is a small. Is this a small? This is a UK size 8. How cute is that? So when me and her have our many girls nights, or Tash and Dev nights, which is basically once every week usually, or once every 2 weeks, we can wear these. But it's kind of cold now. Oh well. Oh well, we shall wear them together. Okay, thanks girl. Right guys, so that was it for today's vlog. I am honestly just going to be wrapping up presents for Dev, which you guys can't really see, and I'm also going to be editing, so there's not really much else for me to show you guys today, but I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye guys, love you, stay beautiful, bye.